Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be my 2017 most worn items. I've got a rail of stuff here just behind me. I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff that I've worn literally to death. So most of this stuff you would have seen in pictures or videos or vlogs, all that crazy stuff. So I'm going to be showing you my 2017 most worn items. I literally, yeah, the very one, so you would definitely have seen them in a vlog or something. I'm pretty sure, or check my Instagram because you might have seen that there. So yeah, I've got everything from like clothes to bags to shoes to jeans to everything. So yeah, if you guys want to see some of my most worn favorite items I loved in 2017, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm not too sure if my rail looks wonky, but in the camera my rail looks wonky. Please let me know down below if my rail is wonky. It looks really wonky, I'm not too sure. But anyways, nevertheless, I guess the first thing I'll go through is jeans, because they're just over here hanging here behind me, and I'm gonna be showing you some of my most worn jeans. Yes, I've got a black jeans included because you guys know how much I've worn my Molly jeans from Riverisland. I've literally worn it to death. I'm surprised I'm not wearing it right now. But yeah, I've got two different jeans here. So this just came out of the wash, so please bear with this, that's why it's a bit creased. But these are my Molly jeans from Riverisland. I absolutely love it. I've worn it so much so that's kind of fading away, really. I don't know, what do you guys think? It looks kind of faded a little bit, but yeah, I've worn this so much. It's the most comfiest jeans ever. They're very good, they're very stretchy, which I like. I hate really like structured jeans that your legs literally can't breathe. I love jeans that you can actually wear and they're stretchy and they feel comfortable, and they're just a really good looking jean. Everything I show here will be linked in the description box below, so everything from like sizing to price and everything will be linked down below, because if I just talk through every price and every size I got, it'll take forever. So yeah, really love those jeans. But for the odd occasion that I'm actually not wearing black jeans, I've got these jeans here. These are my jeans that I got from Dorthy Perkins. They're called Jessie, so I'm not too sure. They're called Jessie, but very nice jeans. They're kind of short, so they show a bit of your ankle off. Very nice wash jeans. They feel very nice. Again, they're very stretchy because I love the stretchy jeans. I hate the very structured ones. And I don't know, I just really like these jeans. They were inexpensive as well from Dorothy Perkins. You can't go wrong. So yeah, that's my second. So living in the UK, you wear coats on a regular, so I'm going to be showing you some of my I've got quite a few coats. I have like a massive obsession with coats. I love coats, but I have narrowed it down to two coats that I have worn literally to death. So the first and foremost is this Topshop coat that I have worn so much, and I still get compliments to this day when I wear this coat. It's just such a lovely coat. It's a very long coat. It's like a royal blue with this kind of faux fur bit at the top. I love the detail inside. It's just such a very good looking coat. Keeps you nice and warm. Got two large pockets on each side. So this is like literally my favorite coat. When I don't know what to wear that day, I'll literally just go for this coat and pop some nice boots on and a nice bag, and I'm good to go. This coat just kind of goes with every single look. So I absolutely love this coat. It's my favorite. Okay, so you might see an occurring Topshop theme in this video. I am obsessed with Topshop. I love pretty much everything from Topshop, Zara. Those two are my favorite shops. But yeah, this coat again is from Topshop, and it's a very nice, it's like a camel-y beige coat that's trending, and I feel like it never dies out no matter what season it is. It's just one of those coats that will always kind of look good with whatever outfit you're wearing. And this one is just a very long one, like extremely long. It reaches right up to my legs. Being 5'4", unfortunately, that's what happens. But yeah, I love this coat. It's just such a lovely coat. Again, two pockets on each side. You got these buttons to close it up if you wanted a closed look, but I usually keep it open. Pop a scarf around here, and then I'm good to go. But this coat is such a lovely coat. I love it. Everything about this coat it's just beautiful. And I feel like, again, this will never go out of season, which I absolutely love. So swiftly moving on to jumpers. Jumpers always seem to hold a massive place in my heart. I love jumpers. Jumpers, I feel like you wear it all year round, especially in the UK. Like, spring is still really, really chilly, so you have to wear some sort of like layering up. So something that I wear literally all the time when I'm at home, if I go out, or just to layer up, is a jumper. And this jumper, I seem to get a lot of use out of it. I just love how quirky it looks. It's just so different. It's very quirky, and it's just such a nice jumper. I got it from George and ASDA, which is crazy. Like, I never get anything from like ASDA, but last time I was just strolling doing my normal weekly shop, and I saw this and I was like, this is such a lovely jumper. I love the fact that it has like massive bell sleeves, and it's got this extra detail on the sides, so you can tie it up. And I love the ombre effect. It's just such a lovely jumper. And yeah, and it was really, really inexpensive. I think it cost like £20 or something crazy like that. So a very, very stylish piece. Okay, so next favorite is this crop jumper. This is a more recent favorite. I think I bought it towards the end of 2017, and I just love the white and black stripe detail on it. I love the fact that it's cropped. Again, the bell sleeves have been so big this year, so pretty much most of my stuff have bell sleeves. They're just such a nice piece, and it just looks really nice with with my high-waisted Molly jeans from River Island. Those two together in a nice brown coat just pulls the whole outfit together, and it just makes the outfit look way more interesting. So I really, really like this. It's just a really nice overall jumper. It just makes your outfit stand out a lot better. And this was £20 from NEWLOOK, and yeah, you just can't go wrong with a black and white jumper. Okay, so another item that you need in the UK is a cardigan, and I got this really funky bright cardigan from Sainsbury's. I know this haul has a lot of color. Like, this was never me like last year or the year before. I used to always stick to my blacks and browns and kind of my grays here and there, but this year I feel like I brought so much color into my wardrobe, and I'm absolutely loving it, I must say. But yeah, I got this from Sainsbury's, again doing my weekly shop, and it's just a lovely cardigan. You got 2 pockets on each side, and it's just like a nice cardigan. It will look so nice with t-shirts underneath and like boyfriend jeans. Just a really simple cardigan, but very, very nice and stylish, and it makes your outfit stand out. Even if you're wearing like a super boring outfit, you can wear like some blue jeans, a white t-shirt, and then this, and it just makes your outfit. So for 2017, I wore this dress to death. I kid you not. I wore this so much so that it's kind of getting bubbles all over it now. It's so sad. But this dress I bought from H&M last year. Strolling around town with my mom, she bought the exact same, which is kind of funny. So when we wear it together, we're both like, we know where we bought that from. But yeah, it's a really, really nice, elegant dress. I love to wear this out when I go out for like date nights and stuff. It's just such a lovely dress. Pop a red lipstick on, get a nice clutch bag, nice heels, you're good to go. So I really, really love this. It's just a very elongating dress that makes you look very sophisticated. Just pop a nice blazer over it, good to go. And this wasn't actually on sale. I think I got it for £20 in sale, which was crazy. So I love it, and yeah, so pretty. So the next favorite I feel like I wore a lot during this last year's summer is these kind of ripped trend that was going on in 2017, and this denim jacket I got from, I think, Primark. Yeah, Primark. And it has so much rips, and it's just a crazy jacket. When my mom sees me wearing it, she's like, what the hell, Amina, take that off. And I'm like, no, but I love it. It's just such a nice kind of funky jacket. It's very long as well, which I quite like. Goes right underneath your bum, and it's just, I don't know, it just makes your outfit look way more interesting than it already does. It just, I don't know. But one thing I will say, it makes you look really big, like big and bulky, but but it's cool. If you're into that, then it's another theme you could probably see me rocking is shirts. And for 2017 I wore a lot of shirts during summer because it's just such a nice piece. You can layer it up with so many different things. This specific shirt I got from Zara. I really like it. It's got this really nice detail from the side and it's very long and it's just such a nice piece. So yeah, I love shirts. You could just wear it with so many different outfits. You can pop a nice coat over it, you can wear some like nice jeans, and you're just kind of good to go. So shirts are the most easiest pieces to kind of style and wear. This specific one is from Zara, and I got this similar one, but this one is from H&M. What I liked about it is the crazy big long bell sleeves. They're very in. Like I mentioned, there's a massive theme of bell sleeves in this haul, I know. But yeah, the bell sleeves kind of drew me to this shirt. The next occurring theme is t-shirts. T-shirts are like the most easiest things to kind of style up. And this is like my literally most worn t-shirt in my wardrobe right now. Is the Amore t-shirt that I got from Topshop. I got this in a size small. It's just such a lovely piece. It's just, I don't know, the fabric feels really soft. It's a white t-shirt. You can style out with so many different things. Again, boyfriend jeans, Converse in a nice like big bulky jacket over it, or like a cardigan. There's so many ways to style up t-shirts. So this is like my literally go-to t-shirt. I wear it with so many different things and it just seems to look good, so quite happy. Another favorite t-shirt is my most recent t-shirt that I bought is an Adidas t-shirt, and I love the kind of turtleneck and I love the different colors. The beige, white and black are my three favorite colors. Literally I wear that so much, so I love this, and it's kind of cropped as well, so perfect with my Molly jeans. You know, I thought this through literally. T-shirt, Adidas is literally my favorite brand ever. If you guys know, then you know. I should just be sponsored by Adidas, but I love it. So for the summertime, I literally wore these trousers to death, like literally. Again, this is from my normal weekly shop in ASDA. I got these kind of big crop trousers. These are kind of the trendy black trousers, the really big bulky ones that everyone wore so much, and they still do actually. But it's a really nice piece. It looks huge, it looks like a skirt, but it's that big, and it's high-waisted. I used to wear it with my shoes, or you could wear it with like heels, you can wear it with boots, you can wear it with trainers. It's just such a lovely piece, and you can just tie it here on the sides. And I love this trousers. I've worn this so much so that yeah, actually I was gonna say it's in bad condition, but it's actually not. So yeah, I kept it in good. Okay, so another item that I wore so much so I actually bought it in a grey, but it's these Zara trousers. I love these trousers so much. It's just basically black and it's got like a white stripe on the sides. Adol calls it the Michael Jackson trousers because it looks like the Michael Jackson trousers. I agree, it does, but they're so comfy. I love these. If I want to go out and like create like a nice date look, I'll pop a nice like fancy blazer over it, pop some heels on, and yeah, I'm good to go. I love these trousers. The most comfiest things ever, and they were like really inexpensive. I think they were like £25 from Zara, and I have got so much use out of it. Like literally I had to go and buy myself another one. I got them in grey and they're just so comfy. So if you really want like some really nice kind of like casual sort of dressing up trousers, honestly nip into Zara and get yourself some, because they're just the best. Okay, so that's everything clothes that I've literally worn so much in 2017. So if you see any of these outfits on my pictures on Instagram or in my vlogs, then do know that I love them a lot and I've worn them to death. So yeah, and moving on to bags. This bag is more of a recent bag that I got recently. I got it from Primark, and everyone's like, what the hell, this looks like a Topshop bag. It actually definitely looks like a Topshop sort of Zara bag, but I got this from Primark. I think it was like £9 or £10. Really inexpensive. I love the kind of like the suede detail to it. I love the gold, and it's just a lovely overall bag. You can wear it with so many different outfits, and I love it, so I had to include it in this video. Okay, so moving on to another bag. I included a bigger bag in this because yeah, I like to wear small bags when I'm out and about, but if I'm going out and I've got a meeting or I'm taking my laptop out with me to a coffee place and stuff like that, this is the bag that I usually reach for. This is a Topshop bag. I think it's called the Circle bag or something crazy like that. I don't know. But yeah, it's such a lovely big bag. It holds so, you can literally put so much stuff in here. My laptop fits in here. You've got this detail in here. It's such a big bag. You've got 2 compartments. It's just such a lovely bag. You can just wear it with so many different things and I love it. So yeah, I had to feature this. And you can't go wrong with a small clutch bag. This is a clutch bag you can wear it with just by itself, or you've got the straps to kind of just pop it around like so. This bag is from Zara. I love how small and compact it is. It just kind of makes the outfit stand out a lot better. It's just a little detail that makes your outfit stand out, and I love this. So much so it kind of broke. Look at that. Actually, I didn't break it. My nephew did, but we're just gonna move on from that. Okay, so moving on to shoes. Yes, this item I'm gonna show you right now, you're gonna be like, I knew this was coming, Amina. It is my Zara boots. Dun, dun, dun. It's these boots that I've worn so much. I literally wear this every other day if I can. I love them. They're very, very nice. They're not the most comfiest boots to wear if you're gonna walk for hours, but if you're just gonna nip into town and do spot of shopping or go out to eat or something, then you're absolutely fine. But yeah, these boots I bought from Zara last year, and I just love how nice they are. They're just they're like faux fur leather. I love the heel. The heel gives me height, which I need, so they're perfect. So I really, really have been obsessed with these shoes, and I'm sure I'm going to be obsessed with them in 2018 too. So, but having said that, I know I need to buy some new ones because they're kind of dying out. I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of dying out. I think I need to buy some new shoes. So moving on to the next shoes. This shoes is mucky AF. It's so dirty and disgusting, but these are my Adidas Superstar trainers, and they look like that. I have worn these to death, as you can tell. The most comfiest trainers ever. I love them. I love how they go with so many different outfits. It's black and white. I mean, it's cliche. Okay, so last but not least are the slide-ons, and these slide-ons I got from Topshop. I love them. Look how cute they are. I've worn them so much in like summer and spring. They're just so cute. This year especially, I feel like sliders have been a massive thing in 2017. Everyone would wear them, so I don't blame everyone because they're so easy to pop on. If you want to nip to the shops, just pop your sliders on and then just kind of nip out. It's just so simple and easy. But yeah, that is everything I have worn in 2017. That's kind of like my most favorite items that I have got in 2017, and I absolutely love, and I just love. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of different style video. If you guys did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up, and like I mentioned, everything will be linked down below for you guys. Everything that I've mentioned today will be linked down below, so make sure you guys check that out. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in my next one.